when your internet friends show up for the first time. The one and only Mr. Jason G is coming to visit today, so we're going to be doing a collab. I'll leave a link in the description to his channel, be sure to check him out. I don't know what kind of shenanigans we're going to get into today, but I get to show off my lawn, which is going to be great. Look at that color! That Anderson's 10-10-10 is really making it pop, so yeah, we might rip up the backyard a little bit more. We might throw down some product on the lawn. Stick around and find out. You brought some goodies for me. Never tried RGS. This should be a good time. I think we're gonna mix up a concoction here. Lawn cocktail.
She will.
Let's see, we got some iron. New product I just got on Amazon. Essentials plus 101. What should we mix today? I don't know, I think we're having rain for the next couple of days, so probably
So you throw
pushing a lot of growth.
So you throw all this down and then let it, once it dries out, then hit the N-ext. Stop that top growth. You know you want to mow every day anyway. I mean, you might want to, but
Gonna have to.
who has time for that these days?
With the Honda, I'm definitely gonna have to mow with that because the real mower, I don't have enough energy for that. And it just started raining again, so we're gonna be spraying in the rain. I wanted to compare soil since we only live an hour and a half away, so let's take a look at the soil here and see. That's similar to what you got up by you, right?
Yeah.
It's clay mixed with sand and loam. It's not horrible, but
Here seems a little bit more sandier, maybe?
it could be. We're closer to the lake, so
Yeah.
supposedly this area is a dried up lake bed at one point, so
Yeah.
it's not bad. Where we dig up the weeds here.
It's hard to tell now.
Maybe we can kill it with some quinclorac or something, I'm hoping.
Does it grow taller than the other
It
stuff?
does, and it grows kind of flat. It lays a little bit more flat.
So I bet it's potriv. Right? Yeah.
We're gonna have to smoke that with
Potrivialis!
we're gonna have to paint it with glyphosate. Potriv and quackgrass is gonna be the bane of my existence.
Oh, I got a bunch of that too. This is I like this look. This looks good.
Yeah, it's mowed at about an inch. Got a little bit of some ants coming up now. Gotta get some stuff down for that pretty soon. Some grub control probably in the next few weeks. The king of the lawn here. Checking out DIY Dad's grass.
I like it. It looks better in person.
Doesn't it? I know, the camera doesn't do it justice, right?
Yeah. And it looks good.
Glad you think the same. I gotta change my lighting and apply a filter, make it look all nice and dark and everything.
Yeah, right?
I don't do that though.
No.
We're not gonna cheat too much.
Hashtag no filter.
So what's your first thoughts of the DIY Dad lawn tour? Everything you hoped and dreamed it would be, right?
Definitely. Yeah. And then some.
Great. I'm glad my effort has been worth it.
I can't wait to put some products down in the yard. So
Yeah, let's do it before we get totally soaked here.
yeah. Whew.
Yeah, I told you. But the lawn likes it.
I don't even know what that smells like.
Molasses, maybe?
Success.
Yeah, smells like success, exactly. So this should spray better than my Terravita humic that I got in a powdered form, hopefully.
Did you have problems with that?
Yeah, it kind of clogged the sprayer a little bit. I had to keep shaking it and everything, but this is more of a homogeneous mix, I guess, right?
Yeah. This definitely has a smell, huh?
Oh yeah, that is ripe.
This stuff smells stronger than that fish stuff,
It does.
which is kind of weird.
Thanks to Jason for providing the goods today. We got the humic RGS here, humic and kelp blend. We're gonna spray it out 6 ounces per 1,000 with the ortho. I think I'm gonna walk this way. caught on my downspout.
Trouble.
Oh yeah, it's spraying a lot better. It's coming out nice and smooth. Mix Master Jason G here.
Right. You know, when I show up, we're just gonna throw a bunch of stuff down. So better hide all your weird stuff you got in your garage because we're gonna put it down. So this is the Essential Plus 101, NPK 101, and the Simple Grow Solutions Micro Booster. We're just gonna mix these together and fill up the ortho and spray and pray. Guess we'll see if these work well together.
Oh no!
Yeah, I had a feeling that was gonna happen. Wants to stop here too.
Yeah, it's intermittently spraying.
Right.
Too thick.
Yeah, it doesn't want to work.
That's why it was clogging, probably.
I don't know, this is gonna be weird. I've never used something like this before. I'm not sure how my coverage is gonna be, but
Well, we'll learn as we go.
we'll find out, right? I guess we'll see how far I get here too. I can see how this is more difficult to kind of keep in line. Kind of go up to this tree, son.
Yeah, that's how I spray my pattern, at least. I do this quadrant.
I like the pressure though. Oh, see, now we're finally getting into the mixture. I was spraying water for a little bit, I think.
Had to prime it.
I can smell it now.
It's nice, isn't it?
Smells good. Now we're getting the mixture of that fish and molasses. You know, I bet if you took maybe the fan nozzle off there and put it on here, maybe? No, maybe not.
It's a different tip, so I don't know if it would fit, but
Right. Well, I know
yeah, I'll
what
have to
those.
mess with it.
I know what those flow zone nozzles. They have like almost like a shower spray on these, and that.
And it came with one of those too, actually. It's got like a shower nozzle.
Yeah, so I'm wondering if that could go on, and then you could just put that guy on here.
Not a bad idea. I think I got some grass seed in the street here. That's definitely bluegrass. Think he's enjoying himself yet? What did you think of the DIY Dad lawn?
I think DIY Dad's lawn is awesome here. We just threw a bunch of products down on it today. It's gonna look even better. Already looking great. It's just a matter of time.
It's gonna be popping for sure.
It's just grass, right? So
If it breaks, it breaks. We'll just water it more.
that's right. It looks great.
Guys, be sure you subscribe to his channel, Jason G, over on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description so you can click on that.
Hell yeah.
Until next time.
Have a kick-ass day. So I try not to go too crazy. So we'll get some shots. We'll see what we get.
Sounds like a swarm of bees. Jeez, it got away from you.
Yeah, dude. Holy crap. Seriously, I've never had that happen before.
Welcome to the shoreline of Lake Michigan. What was your favorite part about the lawn?
Favorite part? What do you mean, like favorite part?